Welcome back guys. So today I am going to tell you how to make a menu header for your desktop, for your tablet and for your mobile that will be responsive. So I will make it on Elementor Pro. So let's go to our templates on your dashboard. Then after that click on add new template. From here choose header, then name your template. I will name it Hadaer, then click on create template. So from here I will click on exit and then I will click on plus icon, then choose flexbox, then I will choose one of these containers. So I will choose this one. So from here I will go back to my widgets and here is my site logo. So I will add my site logo here. So you can see. So then I will go back to my widgets and then I will write menu. So you can see here is WordPress menu. I will drag and drop this WordPress menu here and then I will choose my menu. So after that I will go back to my widgets and on the right container I will add call to action button. So I will choose button. I will drag and drop it here. So I will change the text of call to action. So I will make it contact us, or I can make it buy now. Okay. So now go back to our site logo and I will make this one center and I will go back to my menu and I will go to style tab and I will go to content again, then alignment I will make it center. So go to your call to action button, then go to style tab. From here I will make it center, then I will click on publish. So don't worry about the header. So there is a glitch sometimes on Elementor Pro. So let me refresh my tab and I hope this glitch will be gone. So you can see it now. So it's gone. So I want to remove these underline. So I will go to pointer and then I will make it none. So you can see if you want to change the color. So I will go to style tab, then I will change the color as well from here. So I can make it like this. So I will keep it default. So now I want to add additional information on my header. So I will click on plus icon here. So then I will click on plus icon. So I will click flexbox. Then I will choose these two containers. And here I want to go back to my widgets. And here I will search for icons. And then here I will click on social icon. Just click on icons list and then search for list. I will add list here on the left section and I will add icons on the right container. So I want to remove one item and I want to add my email here. So then I want to change the icon. So I will write envelope. So here it is, the email icon. And then here I will scroll down and change the atom to, I will insert my phone number. Okay, and change the icon to phone number. That is the phone icon. Okay, so now I want to change the alignment to inline. So here it is layout, then click on inline. It's changed now. So go back to my widgets, and from here I want to search for icons. Then I will drag and drop the icons here. So now on the shape I will change it to circle, and I will go to my style tab, and an official color I will make it custom. So then here just go back here and go to style tab and make the alignment center here as well, and click on 6 dots here, then go to style tab and change the background. I want to change the background, I think, yeah, okay, I will make it black. Okay, so I want to change the color of icon and text. So I will click on color and I will change the color of these, and I want to change the color of icons as well. So I will make it white as well. So now you can see, so here it is my widget, and I made it center, so you can see it's now center. So click on widget, then go to advanced, then make it center. So here I want to change the color and I want to make it transparent, so you can see now it is looking great. So you can see here is our, so I want to make this clickable as well, my email and phone number. So just go back here, go to content, click on here. So let me show you the header. So now you can see these are not clickable. So I will go back here and I will write mail to and then write my email. So it will make it clickable. So you can see, go to your telephone and write here TEL and double dots and write your number. So here it is, and I will update it. So now it's clickable. You can see, and here is the phone number. Okay, so I will go back and I will go back to my responsive mode and I will click on tablet portrait. So here it is. So it's already looking good. The upper section I want to change just my toggle button. So I will go back here, so you can see, let me open. So it's not looking good. So I want to make it full width. So here to here. So let's go back to content and just scroll down, and here is full width. Just make it full width. So you can see now, we can see it. Here is the full width. So text align, I want to make it center. So it's the side. So just make it center. So now it's center. You can see. So now again go back to your style tab. I want to change the color of my hamburger. So I will scroll down and I will go to toggle button, then I will make the color white and the background I will make it like so, and I will scroll down and I will make the border radius here 0, so you can see, and the size I think little bit bigger. Yeah, let's make it, yeah, I think it's looking good. So now go back to content. I want to make it, I want to align it on right side, so here it is. So you can see now I want to change the drop down menu color as well. So I will go to style tab, and then from here I will go to drop down and then hover. You can see now, yeah, I want to make the text color white and the background color I will make it black. So you can see now it's looking quite great. So let me scroll down and you can see the distance, it's not looking good. So I will make the distance little bit here. Now I will make it 32 or 30. So now it's looking good. So you can see, save and close. Now you can see here it is. Here it is, our tablet mode menu header. So now go back to mobile view. So now the above sections are I think looking great, but I want to change these two sections. So click on widget and let's make the width, I think let's leave it here. Just click on here, just change it to view width, and let me make this one 40. I think that looks good, and then click on here and change this to view width and just make it here, and just change this to, I think make it, just change the viewers to, I think make it 50. Yeah, that looks good. Go back here and here, I think now it's looking good. So again go back to widget and from here make the margin 0 and padding 0 as well, and make it center here. So I think at the make it center, and that's looking great. And then I don't want to show this call to action on my mobile view. Just go to advanced tab and from here just go to responsiveness, and I want to hide it for my mobile. So you can see here it is. So now I will save it and save and close. So here it is. So here it is our, let me show you so you can see. So if you want to make the logo height little bit like this, so yeah, it's looking good. Now it's looking perfect. So you can see here it is our mobile menu header, and here it is our desktop header, and here it is our tablet, our desktop header, and here it is our tablet header, and here it is our mobile menu header. So you can make it like this. So thank you so much for watching this video, and again thank you so much for being with me. I hope this video is really helpful for you guys to make a mobile menu header and a responsive menu. header for your website. Thank you so much for watching this video.